Let's dive into Robinhood, a commission-free trading platform that has disrupted the financial industry. Founded in 2013, Robinhood's mission is to democratize finance for all. Since its inception, it has attracted millions of users, especially younger, tech-savvy investors. In July 2021, Robinhood went public under the ticker symbol HOOD, keeping its promise of allowing retail investors to participate in its IPO. Robinhood's key features make it stand out. It offers commission-free trades, including stocks, ETFs, options, and even cryptocurrencies. The platform also provides fractional shares, allowing investors to own pieces of high-priced stocks. Robinhood's user-friendly interface, easy-to-use mobile app, and Robinhood Gold, a subscription service offering professional research and margin trading, add to its appeal. Pricing is another attraction of Robinhood. The platform offers zero commission trading, which means you can buy and sell investments without paying a brokerage fee. However, Robinhood Gold, their premium service, costs $5 per month and provides additional benefits such as access to Morningstar research reports, larger instant deposits, and margin trading. Ideal use cases for Robinhood are many. It's perfect for beginner investors due to its simplicity and user-friendly interface. Tech-savvy younger investors are drawn to its mobile-first approach. Also, those interested in trading cryptocurrencies find Robinhood appealing as it offers several popular digital currencies. Lastly, investors looking for commission-free trades and fractional share investing will find Robinhood ideal. There are several advantages to using Robinhood. Firstly, the zero commission trades make investing accessible to everyone. The availability of fractional shares lets investors with less capital still participate in the market. The easy-to-use platform makes it attractive to beginners, and the ability to trade cryptocurrencies broadens its appeal to digital currency enthusiasts. However, there are some limitations to Robinhood. The platform lacks advanced trading tools and comprehensive research resources that seasoned investors might need. There's also criticism about its customer service, which is mostly automated and can be slow to respond. Lastly, Robinhood has faced regulatory scrutiny and fines, raising concerns about its business practices. Key takeaways: Robinhood is a disruptive, user-friendly trading platform, ideal for beginners and tech-savvy investors. It offers commission-free trades and fractional shares, but lacks advanced tools and strong customer service. While it has faced regulatory issues, it remains a popular choice for its ease of use and cost-effectiveness. In conclusion, Robinhood is a game changer in the industry, making investing more accessible. Yet users should be aware of its limitations and regulatory issues. Thank you for watching this analysis of Robinhood stock. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might find it useful.